strengthening.
Oh, hell.
What?
You're joking.
We have a HPSupercell in the Oklahoma Panhandle. It's just gone off its tits. I've never seen lightning like this, have you? Right, what are you going to do? Check that circle out. Oh, what? That's a HPSupercell. It's got to be. It's just gone nuts. Like it's sparking. There's ground strikes every second around here. See, it seems to be building on its southeast side here. Check out, it's building a base on its southeast side, and it's really warm inflow. Let's bolt in out the front there, every now and then you'll get 2 or 3 will bolt out within. See over that way there, we've got a beaver that's started up, rolling. We've got rain rat, we've got the cell, which seems complex, almost a HP. Have to get away, probably go further east. Oh, bloody shit. That's just unbelievable.